Hi guys! Yes, it's me. It's Winnie. And I actually had a video planned for you all today, but I decided to switch it up and give you this video because I wanted to share this really great Dollar Tree find. I know I don't look the same, but I had to go get my hair straightened and get my little ends clipped and all that good stuff. But I'll be back to my regularly scheduled inexpensive design inspiration next week. Stay tuned. Hi guys, and welcome back. I know I've been on a bit of a hiatus, but I'm actually switching my normal Thursday video to this video because of some things that I found at Dollar Tree. Yes, Dollar Tree. So if you're watching this video and the camera looks a little crooked, it's kind of reflective of how I feel right now. I just got done cooking dinner. Anyway, all right. So in today's video, I just wanted to quickly talk to you about a mopping system that I found at the Dollar Tree. Yes, the Dollar Tree. Check it out. So when I left the Dollar Tree, I'm going to show you very quickly what all I choose to purchase, and then I'm going to do a very quick clean with me because I also want to show you how all these items work and things that you can use these items for. So one of the things, okay, whatever. So the reason why I'm like so pumped about this system is because I've said it before, the floors. We have all hardwood floors in this house, and I love the floors, but in this house, but you're supposed to clean them a certain way to make sure that you maintain the integrity of the wood with the floors being so old. I do have linoleum in 2 of the bathrooms, and then I do have linoleum in the washroom, and then I have tile in the kitchen and in the foyer. So those surfaces are really not hard to clean at all. I can get a mop, use the mop, whatever. However, the floors, that kind of becomes an issue. Another thing is, you may remember from my curtain video, I talked about how to hang the curtains and that I often buy the 96-inch curtains instead of the 84 inches because I hang the curtains so many inches above the window. Now, I know that my walls or the height of my ceilings are higher than the 96 inches because the curtains are not hung to the ceiling, but I have all that space. Who's gonna dust it? Okay, so when I'm trying to do my dusting, I often realize that I don't want to pull out a stool every time. I don't want to get a step stool, all that kind of stuff. It just makes it very cumbersome and it lessens my thrill to go and dust. So I'm gonna get into these essentials that I found at Dollar Tree. The first thing is the handle. Yes, the handle. Okay, I was never a majorette. All right, the handle. So with the handle of course is just that regular handle and it has a little screw. I actually bought one of these before at Walmart in order to do some painting, and it was not $1. It was far more than $1. Go get your handle at Dollar Tree for $1. Okay, so I bought the handle. After purchasing the handle, I realized they did have mop heads that you could purchase, but I have mops, little rag mops, just like the mop heads. Didn't need that. But they do have this contraption, which actually got caught on one of these pieces. This is the wet, dry, flat mop head. So this is considered as a flat mop head. They do have rag mop heads. Okay, So with my awesome little flat mop head, you of course have the Velcro on the back. Well, not of course, but you do have Velcro on the back to attach the different mop heads. In addition to having the Velcro on the back, you do have this section here where I'm assuming you could put the pad on the bottom and if need be, press the excess fabric into these pieces here. So the first one I have is a microfiber mop pad. This is a heavy duty mop pad. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up because I know I'm gonna keep it and use it. So if I'm going to use my heavy duty mop pad, I would simply take the mop pad, stick it on the bottom to the Velcro. And now I have my heavy duty mop pad. These are cloth. You can throw them in the washer. I'm more than sure you can use these for more than one use. So it is a good investment for $1. Yeah, it says no iron, something, whatever, but you can wash it. Okay, next thing I have is a microfiber. Next I have a microfiber pad, but this is the light duty. Same concept, take the microfiber pad, cloth on the back, this mop head, Velcro on the back, stick it together, you can do your mopping. Now, one of the things I do notice is that there isn't a lot of overhang to press into this section, so maybe there's another piece that I have not seen, but yeah. Okay, last but not least is my favorite. This is the microfiber dust mop pad. Now, it is Easter, or close to Easter. I like bunnies, but not the kind that live under my couch. And as much as I like to pretend that I have great cleaning skills when it comes to getting underneath this couch and cleaning up underneath the couch, I do not enjoy that at all. So this is a great little tool. I can attach the mop head. Attach the mop head like this, and then now I have my awesome little dusting mop head. So because I'm going to turn this into like a little quick clean with me, I'm going to show you how easy it is to use this dust mop head to actually dust some of these hard places in your house. One of the things I did purchase that I hadn't mentioned is this broom head. Now, this broom head is made more like a push broom head, and I really like this because if you ever go to the store to purchase a push broom, it is never as cheap as a straw broom or like one of those little plastic brooms. So I thought that was pretty cool that I could get this this broom head. Okay, so just to kind of give you a rundown, I probably spent maybe $10 purchasing all of these little pieces and buying multiple pieces just in case they didn't turn out so well after I washed them. All right, so let's move on to the next, which is a kind of clean with me section. Okay, so let me just say, I'm looking at this and it kind of has a swivel, if you notice. It's like a swivel. Love it. So easy to maneuver and clean. Loving that. Okay, so let's go clean with it. Okay, remember, no judgment zone. I can take my mop head underneath the couch. Just that easy. Okay, put this on the side to do the baseboards. Just go straight down the wall. Awesome. This is the long haul. Do a little dusting in the long haul. Put this up against the wall. Easy to clean the baseboard. Okay, I'm in my dining room. I'm in my dining room. Wall above, I'm on the ground. I just dust standing here around my vent. There's no issue. If there are cobwebs in the corner, there's no issue. Just dust and keep it moving. Okay. That's my very quick demonstration on this bad boy here. If I were you, I would get out to the Dollar Tree and get one before they discontinue it. Sometimes you never know if this is something that's gonna stick around forever, but I like it. I see many uses for it. And just remember, for more inexpensive design inspiration, be sure to spend your weekends with Winnie. Bye.